in this, you have to follow the paper, what I have given you. Communication, patient position, therapist positions. Okay, when you are going to put the MWD onto the patient, okay, you have to put the electrode. Okay, this is the electrode for MWD. This is longitudinal electrode for MWD. See, for example, if you are treating neck, okay, the neck should come exactly in the center. Make the patient prone, lie down like this, and put the neck. Okay, if you are treating shoulder, then shoulder should come. If you are treating back, then back should come. If it is thigh, then thigh should come exactly down to this, like this. Okay, in a sleeping position. Okay, or in a sitting position, whichever is comfortable for the patient. Okay. Now, therapist position. When you are applying this, you should be comfortable. Okay, and you should be available there. You should not look somewhere else. You should not. Okay, you should be seeing the patient. You will be doing the machine settings. After that, rule out the contraindications. Whatever contraindications for MWD, you have to rule out. Okay, you have this problem. You have this problem. You have this problem. Okay, at least 8 contraindications you have to rule out. Okay.
Okay.
Then, what is the next one? Skin preparation. Skin preparation means remove the cloth. Okay, if there is any cloth, remove the cloth.
Test.
It should be exposed. Okay, and test the skin. The sensation is good.
Yeah.
Okay, or any wounds are there in that particular area, any cuts are there in that particular area. See the skin where you are going to apply. If it is good, then skin preparation is ready. After that, application, practical procedure. Okay, procedure of the machine operation. The first one is gathering the required material. What all things you require? You require a machine, you require a bed, you require a pillow for the patient. Okay, you may require a towel if there is any problem. Okay, so these are the required material you have to take before starting with the practical. Then operating the machine. Operating the machine, here is the button, back side is the button. Okay, as soon as you switch on, there are 3 things. One, C. Okay, on the display, first one is C. Okay, C means continuous.
Continuous.
Okay, if you change, it can
Pulse.
be changed to pulsed.
Pulsed,
So either continuous MWD or pulsed MWD. The changing button is here. Okay,
Okay.
so I have put now C.
Okay.
The next one, the next button is here. When you press this, time will change. Okay, usually 20 to 30 minutes.
20.
Okay, 20 to 30 minutes is the time. Increase up to the 20 or 30. The next button is intensity. How much heat you are going to give to the patient. That is watts. So it is written W here, watts.
What?
Okay, so you increase the watts and ask the patient, are you feeling okay? Is it more? Okay, is it too hot? You have to communicate with the patient when you increase the watts.
Okay.
If patient says 10 watts, I am comfortable. Okay, then stop there. Okay, the stop there, and after that, after completion, this will give a beep. You stop it. Okay, it will go to the 0 and switch off. Turn off.
Okay.
Okay, this is the application of the operating the machine. Okay, this electrode should be properly placed. It should not be this way or this way. Okay, it should be exactly placed on the body which you are going to treat. Then the last one, replacing the equipment. For example, you have brought towel, you have brought pillow, you brought some
Cover.
Other thing, cover thing. So you replace all those materials back. Write about the treatment. What machine you have used. Sorry, first is date, patient name. What is the patient name? Which machine you have used. That is MWD.
Okay.
Okay. And how much is the time. And how many watts the patient has taken. Whether it is continuous or pulsed. This much you have to write for the documentation after completing the treatment. Okay, after completing the treatment.
When we
then
use,
you have to plan for the next visit.
Okay.
Next visit means whether he has to come tomorrow,
Okay.
or after 2 days, or
Next
after 3
week.
days, or next week. Depends upon machine. For a MWD, it is every day or once in a 2 days.
Day by day.
Okay, day by day. Okay, every day you can do the treatment. So that is about MWD. Any doubts?
Yes, Doctor. When we use continuous or pulse?
When you want thermal effect, heating effect, use continuous. When you don't want thermal effect,
Non-thermal.
okay, non-thermal, then use pulsed.
Okay, right.
Khalas?
Right.
Okay. Next mission, SWD.
وقف.